So I am starting off today's video in Fort Lauderdale. We're gonna be pulling up to, I need a haircut, yo. Every video or every clip, I say my hair is a mess. I'm in Fort Lauderdale. I am gonna be loading up my car, doing another. I'm gonna try to get a lot of inventory today. I have about, I guess 1 week, 2 weeks left with my storage unit, so I'm just trying to get all the inventory. I am gonna be doing a selling sessions in this video. Not at Plato's Closet though, it's another consignment shop in Fort Lauderdale. I'm gonna bring them like Robert Graham dress shirts. I'm gonna bring them a little bit more dressier stuff. They don't really buy like graphic shirts and stuff like that. They buy more of the high-end dressier stuff, more jackets and etc, stuff like that. So we're first pulling up to a thrift store, then I'm gonna go to my storage unit, fill up the car, sort a pile of stuff that I want to do a selling sessions with, then we're gonna go to that store, sell to them, then we're gonna make our way back to Miami. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's gonna be kind of all over the place. I know, sorry, the videos of me moving have been all over the place, and just give me at least 2 weeks to kind of really get everything with the painting, with ordering new furniture, with moving stuff from the storage unit. It's just a huge mess. So give me a couple weeks to kind of catch up. Obviously I haven't been really posting that much. I don't have Wi-Fi in my new place. I did set it up. They should be coming early next week, so hopefully we get that going, and then that way I can upload videos. I actually brought my laptop so I can go to my mom's house and upload today's video that you're gonna be seeing, which is gonna be moving day vlog part 1. But we'll put them to the thrift store now. Let's see if there's anything good. Today is a Sunday, so it might have already been picked through. Let's get it, guys. Well, as far as the clothes, we got like this Kylie hoodie. We have a bunch of denim from like Zara, Levi's. What else do we have? We have like a brand new Puma, all the Robert Graham shirts, and then for sneakers, I'll show you guys that bag. And then basically inside here, I just brought like Vans, Toms, 2 pairs of these. We actually got these for like $2. I've been sitting on them for a while. Oh man, I meant to bring these, but I didn't bring them. So I guess I'll put those back in the car, but yeah, just basic stuff, you know? Look at these, Jeremy Scott, Adidas, all over. Size 9.5 for $100. Basically all the same shoes sitting here. Prada's, fake. Look at these. Seems like it's like a mishmash pair of Dunks. 50 bucks, size 11. I'll have to look them up. So I just realized someone colored these. They're supposed to just be black and gray, no checkers on them. The checkers look kind of cool, and the, you know, the colors look cool, but damn, why would someone color them? Such a shame. If they were maybe 30 bucks, I'd probably pick them up, but the fact that they're 50 and someone colored them, I think that's why they're sitting, but I don't know. Maybe I can list them for 100. Damn. Well, what is this? Supreme. What is this, like a little like side bag? $80. So I was looking in the t-shirt section because I feel like if someone dropped off a Supreme shirt, then maybe they would, or Supreme bag, maybe they would drop off a Supreme shirt. So on this helmet length shirt, only $9.99. Not bad. Crazy Air Max is like inside out basically. Size 11 for, how much are these? 70 bucks. So this is everything I'm selling. Zara jeans, Zara jacket, pair of Toms, Coach, Converse, these Jordans, both of the boots, Vans checkers, and the Vans blue. So I ended up selling those items for $60 cash, or I could have done like 75 store credit. I was gonna get that Supreme bag, but I saw they only go for like 100 to 120, so to spend 80 to only make 30-40 bucks, I feel like it's not worth it at all. I did tell her that I have a lot more stuff in the storage unit that I kind of just want to bulk, so I'm actually gonna come back tomorrow and bring her some more stuff and see. She said she'll take those All Saint jeans for like $15 to $20 a piece. If you guys remember, we ended up paying $2.50 for those, so I think I should just bulk it out to her. I have like 10 pairs. Just quickly give it to her, and I don't have to list them, I don't have to do anything. That and jeans take up 1, a lot of space, 2, they're heavy to pack, and 3, just heavyweight to lug. Like I said, I'm probably gonna donate most of the stuff that they didn't take, just because I have so much stuff that I don't want to bring it. So I'm gonna go to my mom's house. I'm gonna upload today's video. Oh, where's my laptop? I was like, where's the laptop? I'm gonna upload today's video, and then I'll probably start heading back to South Beach, make some lunch, and check out Captain's doing.
The following day.
So today is day 2 of selling sessions. I loaded up my car. I'm actually loading up all my inventory today, or at least 50% of my inventory or so, or whatever I can fit, honestly. I don't know how much percentage, but I'm gonna be stocking up my car. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to the store. I'm gonna see if they buy. I have a big box of stuff, probably about 10 pairs of jeans, and some other stuff. I'll show you guys just random. And then I'm gonna go back to the storage unit and completely fill the car up and just start bringing stuff, because I have about 7 days till I have to get out of the small unit, and then like 9 days to get out of the big unit. So I just wanna, I hate like how people hit me up on OfferUp and they're like, hey, I wanna buy these sneakers. And I'm like, oh shit, it's in my storage unit in Fort Lauderdale. So it's like, I wanna make sure, or I wanna have everything in Miami so I don't have to deal with that. So let's go sell some stuff. Hopefully she buys a good amount, because, you know, I'm just trying to, less space. Let's get everything gone. So all the All Saint jeans, you have a Jams World dress, an Adidas hoodie, 2 Vineyard Vine t-shirts, and a pair of Zara jeans. $100 for everything. Well, I ended up giving him 5 All Saint denim, 1 Zara denim, 2 Vineyard Vine shirts, and I think that's it for $100 cash. Now, could I got more? Of course, but I didn't have to list anything. That's literally me going to the thrift store, buying it, bringing here, and getting cash for it. I didn't have to list it, didn't have to take measurements, didn't have to ship it, didn't have to do any of that bullshit. So I'm happy with it. You know, cash is king for sure, and you know, keep it moving. Now I'm basically gonna head to the storage unit, like I said, fill up the rest of the car, then we're gonna head back south, just bring the inventory to the new apartment. I'm gonna try to bring all the sneakers today, because sneakers are the one thing that people are always trying to buy. So yeah, and I have a lot of packages to do. I have so much packages to do, but since everything's packed up, my roller printer, everything, I don't have Wi-Fi in my apartment, so just be patient. For everyone that has placed an order, your packages will be on the way to you. Just give me a couple days to get everything settled in. Obviously with moving, it's just very stressful. So packages are on the way. I appreciate you guys, yeah, let's head back to the storage unit and fill up his car. So I just got to Plato's Closet, gonna try to sell him some stuff just to get rid of some space. We just have like a few jeans and then all t-shirts, basically just reprint graphic t-shirts that I got for $1 that I'm willing to sell for $2, $3 and triple my money. So let's see how much we get today. So I guess I'll look around, see what they have. Look at these, if only they were my size. $35. Alright, let's check the jacket section first. Let's see if anything stands out. This Yankees baseball with a nice little center swoosh. It's pretty cool. If only it was bigger though, it's kind of small. How much do they want? $12 if only. Let's see if we find a center swoosh hoodie someone dropped off maybe. Probably more unlikely. Ooh, look at this jacket. Forever 21, super soft like fur. Very nice. Huh, not many jackets anymore. Then it just kind of goes into sports stuff. You have this starter, Philadelphia Eagles. Let's see how much. $8. I'm gonna have to look this up. It might be worth something more. I don't know anything about sports. So this is everything. They're taking 30 items for $75 basically. Just basic stuff that, you know, dollar t-shirts all day. This whole bin filled with t-shirts.